In this video, I'm reviewing Tableau Public, one of the leading tools for data visualization. Tableau Public offers a free version of its well-known data visualization software, allowing users to create and share interactive graphs and charts. The platform is widely used by analysts, data scientists, and anyone interested in presenting data in a clear and compelling way. Getting started with Tableau Public is relatively simple, and one of the first things you'll notice is its clean, intuitive interface. It's designed for both beginners and more experienced users, so you'll find a range of options to suit your level. You can upload datasets directly, and from there, Tableau gives you a variety of options to create different types of visualizations, from simple bar charts to complex heat maps. The main advantage of using Tableau Public is its ability to create highly interactive visualizations. You can drill down into specific data points, apply filters, and even create dashboards that update dynamically with your data. This makes it an excellent tool for anyone who needs to present data to an audience in a way that encourages engagement and exploration. However, it's important to note that all your work on Tableau Public is public. There's no way to keep your visualizations private unless you upgrade to the paid version, Tableau Desktop. The platform does have its limitations. For one, you cannot store your data privately. Once you publish a visualization, it's available for anyone to see and download. This could be a deal breaker for people working with sensitive or proprietary data. Another thing to consider is that while Tableau Public offers a lot of functionality, it can be overwhelming for complete beginners. There's a bit of a learning curve, especially if you want to use more advanced features like calculated fields or custom visualizations. In terms of performance, Tableau Public does an excellent job of handling large datasets, although the processing speed will depend on your computer specs and the size of your data. It's also worth mentioning that the online community around Tableau is massive. There are tons of tutorials, forums, and resources that can help you learn the ins and outs of the platform. Another thing to consider is Tableau Public's integration with other tools. It works well with most popular data sources like Excel, Google Sheets, and SQL databases, so if you already have your data in one of these formats, getting started is a breeze. It also supports a variety of export options, which means you can share your visualizations easily across different platforms. However, I do want to mention that there are some drawbacks. For one, the free version is limited in terms of privacy, as mentioned earlier. Additionally, while the software is powerful, it might be overkill for people who just need basic visualizations or who are on a tight budget. In that case, other tools like Google Data Studio or Power BI might be more appropriate. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Gifmeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. In conclusion, Tableau Public is a fantastic tool for anyone looking to create interactive and visually appealing data visualizations. It's free, highly functional, and offers a lot of flexibility for users of all skill levels. However, its public nature and occasional complexity may not make it the best fit for everyone. If you don't mind your visualizations being public and are willing to spend some time learning the platform, Tableau Public is definitely worth exploring. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me out and makes it easier for others to find these reviews. Thanks for watching.